Hey, I'm rolling out 60 different strategies, and I'm getting those strategies from 60 different YouTube channels, and I'm doing that all in 60 days. This next strategy are for those of you who like to play from the don't, but don't have a big bankroll. My name is Joe, and this is my Craftsmaster journey. Let's make it yours too. This is strategy number 20. It comes from Greg over at 555 Craps, and it's called Don't Play for the Low Roller Craps Player. He filmed it in March of 2021, and he has over 1,500 views on this strategy. And he's assuming that it's a $5 table on this, so let's start with $50, $100 on this strategy. So $100 for a low roller. It's a $5 table, and what we're going to do is we're going to start with a $5 don't pass bet. Okay, and we're just going to go dice out, looking for that point. And we have a 6, 5, 11. This loses on a 7, 11. It wins on a 2, 3, or ties on a 12. So since we have 11, that's going to be a loser. So we're going to go again. $5 on that don't pass. Dice out. And we have a 2, 2, 4. So the puck is going to move to the 4. That becomes our point. Now, what Greg does with this is he goes 3, 4, 5 times odds on that don't pass. So 3 times odds, 4 times odds, 5 times odds on the pass. And it would be 5, 4, and 3 this way. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to put $30 out there. 10, 20, 30. And since the point is on the 4, and I always put them on the dealer side of the table, set up that last chip. That's where our odds goes. Since the point is 4, that $30 would pay out $15 since it's 3 times odds. A little trick to remember, guys, for 3, 4, 5 times odds, you're always going to put $60 out here. I'm sorry, 6 times the amount of your bet. So 5 times 6 is $30. So that $30 is always going to be our don't pass odds. And it's going to pay out 3 times. So 3 times 5 is 15. Times 4 times 5 is 20. And 5 times 5 is $25 if it would hit, if your point is 6. From here, that's all Greg does. It's just really simple. And he just rolls it out. And he's going to be looking for that 7. So 5 on 6. And he's going to be looking for a 20% return. So we're going to be looking for $20 on that $100 we're spent. 415. 549. 527. So that is our 7 out. The puck comes off. So we get paid out on that 5. We get paid out even money on the don't pass bet. And we get paid out $15 on that don't pass. So if you look at it, guys, we have $100 starting cash. There's our $20. That's our 20%. So that should be good enough to say, hey guys, thank you, have a great day, and you walk right out of the casino. But hey, we're going to roll this out one more time with one more shooter since that was a short roll. So again, $5 on the don't pass, puck is off, looking for a point. And we have a 426. Okay, again, we're going to go with 5 times odds with that again now, so that's $30 up there. 30 right there. And that's going to be an odds. And dice out. Trying to avoid that 6. And we have a 415. Dice out. And we have a 516. So hey, that's right. Puck comes off. We're going to lose all this out here. And that's why, guys, you make your money, you get out of there. But hey, we're going to go up one more time. Looking for a point. And we have a 437. We lose that. We made our money. That's when you get off the table. But again, for video purposes, we rolled it out again. And 426. So our point is going to be 6 again. And again, we're going to go with $30 over there. 10. That is our odds, our 5 times odds. And we have a 448 square pair, hard 8. And we've got a 6, 5, 11. There's nothing. Looking for that big red right now. 2-1-3. That would have been nice of him to come out. And we have a 4-2-6. That's our point again. So see how you make that money, guys. Get off the table. Get going. You made your 20%. But now we are down, way down on this. Last time. Hopefully we'll get the 7 before anything. 6-4-10. That becomes our point. Again, we're going to put out $30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's out. And we have a 5-1-6. 6 is a hot number today, guys. Looking for that 7. Looking for a big red. And that is our point. That is 10. And again, we would lose all this. So, hey, like I said in the beginning, guys, we made our 20%. You should have left. You should have gone off that table. But Greg has some awesome strategies. He plays almost exclusively from the don't side of the table, the dark side. And I would highly recommend checking out his site. In my description, I'll leave a link to the video that describes the strategy I just rolled out. And if you like the strategies that I'm rolling out, hit that link right on that side there, and I'll bring you to a listing of all my craps strategies. Hey, my name is Joe, and this is my Craps Master Journey. Let's make it yours too.